Hello, and welcome to Dataiku, the universal AI platform. Dataiku helps teams develop and deliver data products, models, and analytical applications, including those powered by generative AI, for any use case or industry. Let's see how. We're on the project homepage. When you have a data question or initiative, you can start a project in this centralized space. Accelerate development time by starting from one of Dataiku's pre-built samples or solutions and modifying it for your needs. For instance, want to improve sales efficiency at your company? This team did by providing sales reps and marketers with interactive apps for better account analysis and decision-making. One app mines CRM notes for easy, conversational Q&A about accounts. Another app uses predictive modeling to prioritize accounts, optimize sales efforts, and provide personalized messaging for each target. Both these apps are powered by cutting-edge generative AI techniques. And interactive dashboards provide visual insights and address recurring questions in a self-service, on-demand way. All built in Dataiku and delivered in days, not months. And this is just one example. Companies use Dataiku for any number of use cases and projects. So how does it work? With built-in AI governance, teams have oversight over critical projects, pipelines, and models. Document project details, goals, scope, and assign stakeholders for review and sign-off at various stages of a project. Qualify and prioritize projects according to potential risks or business value, and see the status of all data initiatives at a glance. In each project, the flow is the visual representation of its end-to-end pipeline. Use flow zones to organize the work. Here, data access and storage tasks are in blue, data preparation and feature engineering in gold, modeling in green, ML ops in purple, and application development activities in red. Since everyone collaborates in this shared environment, all steps and logic are transparent and traceable, and analysts, data scientists, and IT operators can build on and enhance each other's work without cumbersome handoffs. Easily access data from multiple sources, thanks to a wide range of built-in connections, including both cloud and on-premises systems. Or search the central data catalog and feature store to discover other datasets that might be useful for your project. Explore and profile any dataset with ease, investigating potential quality issues, and instantly getting rich insights into every column. Build quick charts to inform next steps for data prep and downstream analyses, or publish visualizations to built-in dashboards to share insights with others. Interactive statistics and a smart assistant help you find hidden patterns and statistical relationships in your data to understand it at a deeper level. To prepare, aggregate, blend, and transform your datasets, code or click based on your preference. At every step, the choice is up to you. Plenty of collaboration tools, like a built-in chat function, project wikis, and object tags and descriptions, make it easy for diverse types of team members to work together in this shared space, regardless of role or technical skill set. In the Prepare recipe, more than 100 point-and-click, configurable processors help with simple to complex transformations, such as splitting or formatting values, parsing dates, or reshaping data. Not sure which processors to use for your task? No problem. Simply tell the AI assistant what you'd like to achieve using natural language and watch as it generates the preparation steps for you. Easy. Coders can transform data and develop models using their language of choice, such as Python, R, or SQL, working in familiar IDEs like Jupyter Notebooks. Customizable code environments make it simple to access the packages and libraries you need, while also simplifying package dependencies and management for IT when your project goes into production. Data science teams can avoid repetitive coding and inconsistent approaches by taking advantage of reusable, shared code samples and project-level libraries. Code studios with app-building frameworks like Streamlit, Gradio, and Voila provide another familiar IDE option for coders. Here, we're looking at the VS Code editor the team used to build the marketing recommendations app we showed at the beginning. Dataiku's native AI code assistant enhances productivity, answering questions and explaining code, or aiding in code creation, unit testing, or debugging. For those forward-looking questions, whether you're a machine learning novice or a seasoned expert, Dataiku's AutoML capabilities support you in building your first or 100th model. Use the default settings or configure every aspect of a model, from optimization metrics to feature selection and handling to hyperparameters. Smart recommendations, diagnostics and guardrails, and reading tips on each screen will keep you on the right path. Choose from or ensemble state-of-the-art algorithms, or code your own Python model. Elastic containerized computation using technologies like Spark and Kubernetes ensure you have the performance you need when training models. With Whitebox Explainable AI, you can efficiently evaluate model experiments and dig deeper into any model, even those developed outside Dataiku using frameworks like MLflow. Feature importance and effects, individual prediction explanations, and interactive what-if simulations help both you and business stakeholders build trust and feel confident in the results. Want to incorporate the latest generative AI techniques into data projects, but not sure how to start? Dataiku provides a suite of tools powered by large language models, or LLMs, that can be used by coders and non-coders alike to add AI-generated content into pipelines and solutions. For instance, visual NLP recipes make it a breeze to summarize large document collections or classify text by topic or sentiment. Simply choose from the list of LLMs your organization has approved for use, select your text column and task, and explore the generated results in the output dataset. No code needed. For more custom tasks, leverage prompt studios to engineer your optimal prompt, test it against different approved LLMs, and evaluate trade-offs between the quality of results and the estimated cost for each model provider. Or augment LLMs with your own internal knowledge bank to power Q&A chatbots and ensure that automatically generated answers are factually correct and cite approved sources. Build an app like this entirely in code inside Dataiku, or use the no-code visual tooling. We even provide a template for this front-end interface for you, so you can be up and running with a chatbot in no time. All these components are backed by Dataiku's LLM Mesh, a secure gateway for AI services and self-hosted models that helps teams safely deliver enterprise-grade LLM applications while addressing IT concerns related to cost management, compliance, and technological dependencies. When it's time for deployment, eliminate the hassle of recoding pipelines and models with rapid deployment options for both batch and real-time use cases. Automate workflows or refresh results with scenarios, Dataiku's built-in scheduler. Customize the series of steps for each run, and create runtime conditions and alerts to inform operators about data quality issues, drift, or decaying model performance, so you can keep production pipelines and models running in peak form. Or, with just a few clicks, serve machine learning models and other elements as API services to support real-time applications. Whether you choose API services or batch deployment to operationalize your work, the Dataiku deployer is the one-stop shop to manage all your deployments. The deployer connects to your dev, test, and production environments, including infrastructures outside of Dataiku's architecture, so operators can even oversee API deployments in cloud platforms like Azure ML, Amazon SageMaker, or Google Vertex AI. ML engineers can manage technical dependencies, sizing and scaling for containers and clusters, and troubleshoot errors with audit trails and query logs. They can even explicitly prevent the deployment of unapproved models or pipelines to enforce review and sign-off from required stakeholders. Every time a model is run against a new batch of data, Dataiku automatically evaluates and stores the results, so you have a clear visual gauge of model health over time. Analyze different types of drift to determine the root cause of decaying model performance, and perform champion-challenger analysis with robust model comparisons before replacing a model in production with a new or retrained version. The unified monitoring dashboard surfaces deployments with warnings and errors to help operators quickly detect and resolve issues across multiple environments and infrastructures. This monitoring interface acts like mission control, making it simple to assess status and recent activity across all your pipelines and models in flight at a glance. With Dataiku's transparent, explainable workflow and automatic model and flow documentation, everyone can clearly retrace and recreate all the steps in a project from start to finish. As you've seen, Dataiku empowers everyone to create and consume AI. To learn more, be sure to visit our website. And thanks for watching.